You're on the subway, getting ready to do your thing. Everything seems cool. And right as the train comes, someone pushes you onto the tracks. Boom! What's up, you guys? Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. Let's beat the algorithm. Like, subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell if you're on Instagram so you don't miss a post. Get this information out to your loved ones so you guys can all understand the thought processes behind living a safer pattern of life. Personal protection has less to do with your time in the dojo or at the range than it does with understanding how to move and see and communicate in these environments with people. So what can we learn from this situation where a bunch of innocent people are trying to wait to catch a train and one person decides they want to try to murder someone by pushing them on the tracks as a train's coming. It looks completely random to the naked eye. It looks like something that you couldn't see coming. However, when we break down the ABCs of personal protection, you know, the principles we use to understand how to live a safer pattern of life, some tactics become apparent that can really help save lives in this scenario. The first thing that catches my eye is this. Where are these people standing? You guys hear me talk about it all the time. Tactical positioning, right? Boom. This guy, he's doing okay. He's got his back up against the wall, okay? He's got his back up against something that will prevent someone from directly sneaking up behind him. He's doing better, but he's really not doing that good because these people back here have the drop on him. Do not leave your back to open spaces. Do not leave your back to open spaces. If this was me, I'd be standing back here, or maybe here, possibly, or maybe somewhere back here if there's more room on the other side of the bench. The worst place for these people to be standing, anyone to be standing, is right here and giving your back up to the open environment, right? Context, tactical positioning, rolling, risk assessment, right? You know you're in the subway, you know shady things that happen in the subway in New York, and you have people standing behind you. Don't do it. So context should tell you, hey, I'm gonna be in the subway around a bunch of unknown variables. I don't know what people are doing. I don't know what they're going through. I don't know what they're thinking. I'm courteous, I'm kind, but General Mattis said it best. I do have a plan, right? So check it out. This person's sitting behind you. You're exposed. As the train comes, you know that there is something that is dangerous entering your environment. A little bit more heightened awareness is good at that point in order to avoid something like this happening. This person that got up and actually mounted this attack, she played it really cool. There was no real big hint. There was no big indicator. There was nothing. They were just sitting there lurking. So you have to do the other things correct. You have to know where you're at in your environment as far as where you're going, the context, and you have to know, am I tactically placed right now in a way that's going to give me visual mastery over my environment in order to stop something like this from happening. Thank God this person was a second too late before trying to do this to this person. Hey, if you guys haven't already, download our free training guide. Check out the training we've put together with some of the world's most elite trainers, myself and about a dozen of us. You can find that at protectornation.com. Stay tuned. We've got on-ground training. We've got digital training. We're going to make you smarter and harder to kill. Our mission is to make the world a safer place by helping good people become more dangerous. This is Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. I'll see you on the next piece of content. Out. Boom!